going to be showing you how to make your own custom BandLab vocal presets for AutoTune, all right? Start to finish and walk you through my whole process, all right? Links to these presets, the session will be in the description below. But the only thing I need from you right now is to like the video, all right? Liking the video does a lot for me, all right? So look, step one, when it comes to making the presets, it's simple. You put a beat in here, all right? And then we're going to turn the beat down, all right? So that's the thing. I always turn the beat down under like -6 dBs. That's what I do. I just turn the beat down. All right, so I'm gonna make a lot of different presets within one preset because that's just the best way to do it. Okay, so auto pitch will be on. All right, my key and scale is selected. You can choose the amount that you want to use. Okay, so if you want to use pitch correction, you can. If you don't want to use it, you don't got to use it. All right. Yeah, I don't have a BandLab membership right now. So yeah, I can't see natural. So, so AutoTune is set. I'll come back to that one in a minute, so I'll just turn it down halfway. So we're gonna go to effects. So the first thing what I'm gonna do and what I like to do is like my volume. I gotta make sure my volume is right. So I like to put the gain plug in first, right? So I'll put gain right here. Okay, so watch what gain does to my vocals, right? So it made my vocal louder, but if I need to turn my vocal down, I can turn my vocal down. But you know what I'm saying? Essentially, ideally, it's like a little mic preamp for me, but it's not a mic pre, it's just gain. That's just how I'm using it, all right? So after that, I like to do a little EQ, all right? So I like to roll out some of this little low end real quick, so so I just do probably about like 120. I don't know. Let that live, right? Let that live. Like let all that live. I'm just gonna kill some of this little low right here. Probably about like one. Because like you see how far I go to the right, it's gonna knock the body of my vocal out. Like I like to over exaggerate and then I bring it back over just a little bit. Right? Probably like right here to where like it still sounds like me where it's not like it is like full. So like you see we cutting that 20 out. Probably about the 120. Like that's cool. Maybe I don't know, probably like 107, right? I just go by ear, right? I usually had a beat playing, so but I want to talk to you a little bit. So here we go. So now let's play beat.
Doesn't out Pluto, doesn't out Pluto, doesn't out.
Yeah. Got a whole lot of money, got a whole lot of money, got a whole lot of money. See, like, that sounds clean. Got a whole lot of money, got a whole lot of money, got a whole lot of money. So, like, then I'm gonna use this EQ right here. So, like, you want like the highs. So, like, got a whole lot of money, got a whole lot of money, got a whole lot of money. Yeah. Got a whole lot of money, got a whole lot of money, got a whole lot of money. So like right there, let's put this one right here.
Doesn't out Pluto, doesn't out
Pluto. Whole lot of money, yeah. Got a whole lot of money, got a whole lot of money, got a whole lot of money. Yeah. Got a whole lot of money, got a whole lot of money, got a whole lot of money. Yeah, got a whole lot of money, got a whole lot of money, got a whole lot of money, got a whole lot of money. Yeah. Got a whole lot of money, got a whole lot of money, got a whole lot of money, whole lot of money. So like I'm just tweaking like that a little bit, right? Tweaking it. So if it's too bright, I can turn it down a little bit more, right? Just bringing the faders down, depending on like the sound that you're going for, right? So then I can turn the volume up if I want the volume up. If I need to reduce the volume on that, I can reduce it. So, but after that, I like the 76 right here. So this compressor right here is amazing. All right. So the compressor is amazing. So I'm gonna do a 4-to-1. All right. The attack is gonna be probably about a 2. All right, and then we're gonna let it like a faster release. So do a 1, and then we're gonna do the input like this, and we're gonna output like this. Maybe not like that, but we'll just leave the output what it is. So we'll do like that. Then we'll come back behind it. It'll be the 2A because I don't want to over compress and then I'm running it into this other compressor. So like squeeze is just gonna squeeze the life out of it, right? So we can limit is gonna be like a brick wall where it's not gonna let nothing through. A compressor is gonna only bring out the less loud parts, right? And it's not really gonna affect the loud parts, right? You know what I'm saying? So we'll just leave it in compress, and then I adjust the squeeze, and I adjust the gain accordingly. Kind of looking like this right here, you know. So right now I play a bit.
Doesn't out Pluto, doesn't out Pluto, doesn't out.
Yeah. Got a whole lot of money, got a whole lot of money, got a whole lot of money, a whole lot of money. Yeah. Got a whole lot of money, got a whole lot of money, got a whole lot of money. Yeah. Got a whole lot of money, got a whole lot of money, got a whole lot of money. It's all that. Oh yeah. Reverb, right now. Yeah. Whole lot of money, got a whole lot of money, got a whole lot of money. Yeah. Whole lot of money.
Doesn't out Pluto, doesn't out Pluto.
Money. Got a whole lot of money, got a whole lot of money, got a whole lot of money. Yeah. 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 Whole lot of money. Okay, so like that. Whole lot of
Doesn't out Pluto, doesn't out Pluto.
money. Yeah. Whole lot of money. So like that right now. So like we got that one. So let's say. Let's be shut out of.
Doesn't out Pluto, doesn't out Pluto, doesn't out Pluto.
Yeah. Got a whole lot of money, whole lot of money, whole lot of money, whole lot of money. Yeah. Got a whole lot of money, whole lot of money, whole lot of money, whole lot of money. Yeah. Whole lot of money. That's it. That's just stereo wise, like make it wider, right? Got a whole lot of money. Yeah. Whole lot of money. Yeah. Whole lot of
Doesn't out Pluto, doesn't out
lot of money. Yeah. Got a whole lot of money, whole lot of money, whole lot of money. Yeah. Got a 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 whole lot of money, whole lot of money. Yeah. Listen.
Doesn't out Pluto,
Whole
doesn't
lot
out
of
Pluto.
money. Yeah. Got a whole lot of money, whole lot of money. Yeah. Got a whole lot of money. Yeah. Got a whole lot of money, whole lot of money. See, it's not really complicated. So and we can just make tweaks and adjustments. So Alright, okay. So I want to take that off. That's I want like.
Doesn't out Pluto, doesn't out Pluto, doesn't out Pluto.
Hey, hold on, hold on, yeah. Hold at me, hold at me, hold at me, hold out of my knee. Gotta hold at me, hold at me, hold out of my knee. Yeah, so like, yeah. Gotta hold that money, hold that money, hold that money, hold out of money. Yeah. Gotta hold that money, hold that money.
Doesn't out Pluto, doesn't out Pluto.
Baby, I'm a beast, baby. Baby, I'm a dog, baby. Baby, I'm a beast, baby. Baby, I'm a dog, baby. Baby, I'm a beast, baby. Baby, I'm a dog, baby. Baby, I'm a beast, baby. Baby, I'm a dog, baby. Baby, I'm a beast, baby. Baby, I'm a dog, baby. Baby, I'm a beast, baby. Baby, I'm a dog, baby. Baby, I'm a beast, baby. Baby, I'm a dog, baby. Baby, I'm a beast, baby. Baby, I'm a dog, baby. Baby, I'm a beast, baby. Baby, I'm a dog, baby. Baby, I'm a beast, baby. Baby, I'm a dog, baby. Baby, I'm a beast, baby. Baby, I'm a dog, baby. Baby, I'm a beast, baby.
Doesn't out Pluto, doesn't out Pluto.
Baby, I'm a beast, baby. Baby, I'm a dog, baby, I'm a beast, baby, I'm a dog, baby, I'm a beast, baby, I'm a dog, baby, I'm a beast, baby, I'm a dog. Don't say it for sure, you should know. Don't say it for sure, you should know. Don't say it for sure, you should know. Don't say it.
Doesn't out Pluto, doesn't out Pluto, doesn't out Doesn't out Pluto, doesn't out Pluto, doesn't out Pluto. Doesn't out Pluto, doesn't out Pluto, doesn't out Pluto.
Yeah, she don't wanna be sad. Alright, so like when we looking at it, let me go try. So what you really need to understand is not a correct way to do this. I just put a beat on and vibe, add plugins, take away plugins, make my tweaks and adjustments accordingly. I do not approach music with thinking I want to sound like this artist. I want to sound like that. I don't do that. I listen to the beat. I make presets around the beat for how I want to vibe out or what I think is cool and how I feel in that moment. I don't care what other artists do. I'm sorry, right? You know what I'm saying? And then in BandLab, we're limited because we can't use other plugins and stuff like that. So we only got the same plugins, and it's like, It's only so much you could do, but it's like you can make the tweaks and adjustments for your performance to fit the vibe that you want. And I just showed you how I made a bunch of presets in like 20 minutes.